Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be making pineapple roll-ups or pineapple leather using a fresh pineapple. This is a great one for using up fruit while it's in season, a great way to use your Vibe blender and an excellent way to use the Breeze Dehydrator as well. This is so simple, we're going to get straight into it. So we've got a whole pineapple here, as you can see, it's nice and ripe. I'm just gonna take the skin off, chop it up into chunks and get it into the Vibe blender. So I've cut the pineapple up into fairly big chunks and I've kept the core in because we want to use as much of our produce as possible and limit our waste. The great thing about the Vibe blender is it's going to have no problem pulverizing that core. We're going to blend it up on smoothing mode for around 40 seconds, get it nice and aerated. You might want to use the tamp as well just to help at the start. After the 40 seconds, give it a taste test and see if it's sweet enough for you. You could always add a little bit of honey or maple syrup at this stage. Blend it up again for another few seconds and then you can pour it straight onto the silicone mats. The silicone mats are really great to use with a dehydrator when you're working with liquids and purees. And if you don't have those ones, then you can get them on the Luvele website. Pour the mix straight onto the silicone mats, being careful not to overfill them. Then you can just spread it out into the edges, make sure it's nice and even. We'll get those trays back onto the dehydrator and get it going. Set the machine to 50 degrees and for 9 hours. After 9 hours, have a look and see how they're going. You want them to be sticky but not wet. If there is still some excess moisture, then you can put the machine on for another hour or two. So these are all done now after 10 hours. I'm going to open up the lid and show you what they look like. These are good to eat straight away, but if you want to store them, then a really good tip is to roll them up with a little bit of baking paper. I'm going to show you how to do that now, and then you can get them into a container. They'll store in the pantry. I'm going to use one of the new Luvele vacuum canisters, which is really good for keeping things fresh for even longer. So that's how to make yourself some easy pineapple roll-ups using your Luvele appliances. These are perfect for packing into school lunches, for afternoon tea, on-the-go snacks. We hope you give this one a go at home and let us know what you think in the comments section below. If you haven't already, hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life recipes. Give the video a like if you enjoyed this one today, and we look forward to bringing you another video soon.